Hello. Good evening, everyone. How's everyone doing? It's Saturday, right? Yes. How's everyone doing on Saturday? Saturday night, right? It's Saturday night and you're watching me. Obviously very exciting. Hi. Yeah, figured we could do a little detailing stream because I guess you guys liked the last few. So, hi, Chaos. Welcome. Yeah, it's you guys seem to like when I did detailing streams, so I was like, we could do, I guess like one every couple of weeks. I guess maybe why not? Sure, why not? Why not? I also realized I didn't do a whole like I'm going to be streaming on this day post in my story. My bad. I don't. I don't like Warhammer at all. I have no interest in it whatsoever. I'm sorry. It's not happening. But yeah, I like detailing my Gundams, so that's what we're going to be doing. In particular, this one, because we built this one a while ago, because of the backpack. So I figure we can give it some flair. It's like I have all of the things still. I kept them. Or you could just check my FAQ if you don't mind. That would have answered that question. It's like I have a whole series of questions that gets asked a lot, so I made a whole FAQ about it. So give that a read if you feel inclined to do so. Sir, you need to stand up for a sec.
I need these pallets right here.
Da-da-da. Hi! It's going well so far. I haven't started anything yet. I've only been on for like 4 minutes. So far, I've only gotten around to saying, hey, make sure to read the FAQ. And yeah, going to be detailing this guy here that we built not too long ago. So, pew pew pew. Hey. I'm kind of excited about it, not gonna lie. Hi, Panther Kitty. Yeah, I'm like kind of stoked on it because I've been thinking of things that I could do with it pretty much all afternoon. I know. I got